Alright, got my new gas cap today for my Jeep. Let me see how this thing goes on. Got the instructions in here. Some papers. And the screws. But, get over here first. You can see it's all cleaned up. Here. Number 1, that looks like no marijuana. Number 2, I guess take off. Number 3, I don't know. Number 4, I don't know. 5, 6, 7. Oh well, must be from China. It says no readings. But you know what? I just have to use common sense. So, let me go over here to my handy dandy toolbox and see if I can do this without any instructions. You can see this is just going to be removal of the yellow cap. You can see before and after. I have to get a picture here. How do I do this? There we go. Let me try to do this one-handed, which is not easy. Screws here. You see my painted fenders. They look great. Oops. Oh, I dropped the damn screwdriver. Oh, nasty, nasty. There's the other one. Let me clean this up because, you know, I'm a little meticulous about this. Give me 1 second and I will be right back. Well, that was easy. You just put the 4 screws inside, no screws outside, it snaps right in. That's it. You're done. So how does it look?